How I made funk from Fairly ODDPARENTS theme song. This is proof that you can make funk out of anything. Literally. First, I started with a tempo. I left it at 120 BPM. Oh, by the way, you can download the FLP, it's free. Temporarily free. I then downloaded the theme remix from this guy on TikTok.
An average kid that no one understands. Mom and dad and Vicky always giving him commands.
I kinda removed the little drum sounds he was making with his fingers. You know, those snapping, so that he can make it more smooth.
Timmy is an average kid that no one understands. Mom and dad and Vicky always giving him commands. I do man glue up in his room is broken instantly. The fish grab him every wish, cause in reality.
Next, I added the bass one shot for the heavy weight. Yeah, you can find these samples in my 16 gigs funk samples pack in drumkit. I have in drumkit that I have linked below. Then I slapped on some Brazilian Marcacao vocal effects. One of them is Cythamane, by the way. Can you guess it? Next is the kick. It kinda sounds pretty weird, but it's actually supposed to sound like that. You know, from the distortions and shit. After that, I layered a bunch of percussion drums and shakers to finally bring it to life. If you want to see the secret of how I mix this song, just get the FLP, bro. And before we continue, take a look at this sample pack. It's literally crazy.
Vai tomando, vai jogando, vai tomando, vai jogando. Você dança no funk e o bum 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 balançando. Vai noviano, se intimida, vem, joga com pressão. Joga rabeta, rabeta pra lá. Amostra, 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 amostra. Tom da palhinha da calcinha que os favela.
Novinha safadinha, hoje eu vou falar pra tu. Eu quero é tu. Novinha safadinha, hoje eu vou falar pra tu, quero.
Vem caixota preparada pra fuder sua safada. Vem sentando na piroca, sua piranha safada. Vem, vem fuder, vem, vem fuder.
Na madrugada tu me prometeu que ia acabar comigo sentando. Agora vem te dormir. Vai tomar dormindo, vai tomar dormindo.
Ela senta por cima gostoso, na sequência do sente trepa. Sente trepa, sente trepa.
Então vem chupando minha bucetinha, pro lado e pro outro tu mete a linguinha. Então chupa gostoso a sua novinha.
Tô com tesão de urso, tô com tesão de urso. Senta na, senta na, senta na, senta na, senta.
Desce até o chão.
Brasil!
É DJ moleque bom, ele tem experiência.
Faz a festa com a batida que contagia e não presta.
Don't forget to use coupon code PINK for a little discount. Yeah, that's basically it. Now let's listen to the final result.
Timmy is an average kid that no one understands. Mom and dad and Vicky always giving him commands. do and do my business, room is broken instantly. Cause I wish you got a merry wish, cause in reality they are family upturns. Fuck you, rubber goo, free move, fuck you, giant steak, birthday cake, large fries, chocolate shake.